students. This is session 18 for grade 7 mathematics. Okay. Previous session we have dealt with chapter 2 fractions and decimals. Okay, what is a fraction? Let us quickly recap the session. Fractions. What is the spelling of fractions? F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N-S. Fractions. So what is a fraction? A part of a whole. A part of a whole means if I am going to divide a whole part into equal parts and I am taking the fraction, a part of a whole. For example, I told you we are going to take a circle, we are going to divide it into 4 equal parts and one part alone we are going to shade. What is the fraction of this shaded part? It is 1 by 4. That is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. Otherwise 1 by 4, which means among the 4 equal parts I am shading only one part. That is the fraction. Part of a whole. Part of a whole. That is a fraction. Are you clear about fraction? Okay, what are the types of fraction we have dealt in the previous session? Yes, proper fraction. P-R-O-P-R. Proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? When my numerator is less than the denominator. Proper fraction, you have to remember only one thing in your mind. What is it? Numerator is less than denominator. What is the spelling of numerator? N-U-M-E-R-A-T-O-R. Numerator. What is the spelling of denominator? Numerator is the number which is up. Denominator is the number which is down. Denominator. D-E-N-O-M-I-N-A-T-O-R. Denominator. When my numerator is less than denominator, which means 2 by 3. My numerator is less than denominator, which is called as proper fraction. What is improper fraction then? When my numerator is greater than the denominator. Improper fraction. I-M-P-R-O-P-E-R. Improper fraction. Which means, what is the hint? Numerator is greater than denominator. Therefore, numerator will be greater than denominator. So, 3 by 2. Can you understand? So, proper fraction, which means numerator is less than denominator. The number in the top is numerator and the number in the bottom is denominator. In improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator, which means 3 by 2. Can you understand? Okay, now what is the equivalent fraction? Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction will contain a whole number and the fraction. 1 2 by 3 or 4 2 by 3 or 5 2 by 3. A whole number and a fraction. Whole number is 5 and fraction is 2 by 3. This mixed fraction will always be converted to improper fraction. Mixed fraction will be always converted to improper fraction. How you are going to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction? Denominator into whole number. The whole product is added to numerator and this is divided by denominator again. So what is 3 into 5? 15. So 15 plus 2 divided by 3. What is 15 plus 2? 17 by 3. This is how we are going to convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction. Can you understand? What is the next fraction? It is equivalent fraction. What is the equivalent fraction? In equivalent fraction, you are going to multiply or divide the same number to the numerator and denominator. So, equivalent. What is the spelling of equivalent? E-Q-U-I-V-A-L-E-N-T. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction is you are going to multiply or divide the same number to the numerator and denominator. Let us take the improper fraction 7 by 5. Why it is improper fraction? Because my numerator is greater than the denominator. For this I am going to find the equivalent fraction. So either I have to multiply or divide the same number to numerator or denominator. Here if I divide, I cannot get it because 7 and 5 will not come under same table. So let me multiply. Let us multiply 2 to the numerator and denominator. What is 7 into 2? It is 14. What is 5 into 2? It is 10. Can you understand? This is the equivalent fraction of 7 by 5. Again, what is the another equivalent fraction you can do? You can multiply by 3. 7 3s are 21. 5 3s are 15. This is another equivalent fraction. You can make several equivalent fractions. If this is difficult for you, what you can do? 7 by 5 is the fraction, right? You can multiply by 10 on both sides. This is very easy. 70 by 50. Or you can multiply by 100. 700 divided by 500. You can multiply by 1000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, anything. Okay. So you can get several equivalent fractions for 7 by 5. Can you understand? Okay. Let us move on to the next fraction. Our next fraction is like fraction. Like fraction. Like fraction is nothing but if my denominators are same. If they are giving two fractions of in the denominator is same. For example, 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. If the denominators are same, then it is a like fraction. If the denominators are not same, then it is the unlike fraction. Okay, can you understand? So like fraction, given fractions, if the denominators are same, then it is like fraction. In the given fraction, if the denominators are not same, then it is unlike fraction. Can you understand the difference between like and unlike fraction? So this is the types of fractions. Now let us move on to the example sum. Take your book, page number 29, chapter 2, fractions and decimals. See the first example, write 5 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. You are going to write 5 equivalent fractions for 3 by 5. Already I told you equivalent fractions, it is very easy. You are going to multiply the same number on the numerator and denominator, right? So 3 by 5 is my fraction. I am going to multiply 2 to the numerator and denominator. So 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. This is one of my equivalent fraction. Like this you have to find 4 equivalent fractions. Now what you are going to do is you can multiply whatever number you wish. I told you already you can multiply 10, 100, 1000 and you have to find the rest of the 4 equivalent fractions at home. Not only 4, you can find many. Okay. Otherwise you can take another example by your own, 2 by 3, 5 by 7, 7 by 5, anything, and you can create more examples for equivalent fraction. Can you understand? Will you do it at home? Okay. Now let us move on to the next example sum. See the example 2. I am going to read the question. Listen carefully. Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise. There is a person, Ramesh. He is solving 2 by 7 part of an exercise. Okay. While Seema solved 4 by 5 of it, and Seema is solving 4 by 5 part. Who solved lesser part? Now you are going to find out who solved the lesser part. Now what you have to do? What are the fractions given in the question? 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. These are the two fractions given in the question, right? So we are familiar with two fractions, like and unlike fraction. What is a like fraction? If the denominators are same, it is the like fraction. If the denominators are not same, it is unlike fraction. What is the denominators here? It is 7 and 5. So they are unlike fraction. If it is like fraction, you can add and subtract the fractions easily. If it is unlike fraction, you cannot add and subtract the fractions. You have to first convert this unlike fractions to like fractions. Then you have to add or subtract the fractions given. Can you understand? So the fractions given is 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. These two are unlike fractions. Now I am supposed to convert this to like fraction. How I can convert this fraction to like fraction? I'll tell you. Two by 7, 4 by 5. Am I right? Yes. 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. Now we have to convert this to like fraction so that my denominator should be same. Yes. So first we will take the denominators and we will find out the LCM. LCM, how we will find out LCM? Is these two numbers will come in the same table? No, that will not come, right? So what you have to do? You have to multiply the two numbers. What is the multiplication of two numbers? 7 into 5. It is 35. The LCM of 7 into 5 is 35. So my LCM is 35. Yes? My LCM is 35. What is the first fraction given here? 2 by 7. So 2 into dash is equal to 35. You have to find out, you are going to convert this fraction to same denominator. Can you understand? So first let us take 2 by 7 and we can convert that to the like fraction first. So 2 by 7 is given. 7 into dash is 35. 7 into 5 is 35. So multiply the same number on the top. So 2 into 5 is 10. So 2 by 7 is converted as 10 by 35. Can you understand? Now take the next number. 4 by 5 which is equal to dash by 35. Why I am writing dash by 35? Because my LCM is 35. So 5 into dash is equal to 35. 5 into 7 is 35. So multiply the same number on the top. What is 4 into 7? 28. It is 28 by 35. Can you understand how we are converting? Now 4 by 5 is converted as 28 by 35. Can you understand how a unlike fraction is converted to like fraction? Now see the denominators of both the fraction, it is same. Can you understand how it is? Okay, now listen. Now which is greater? Who is this 2 by 7? It is Ramesh. And 4 by 5 is Seema. So Ramesh now is converted to 10 by 35 and Seema now it is converted to 28 by 35. So now 28 by 35 is greater than 10 by 35, that is Seema has solved more part than Ramesh. This is the final one. This is what they have told you to find out in the question and we have arrived at the answer. What is the question actually? There is an exercise. Ramesh is solving 2 by 7 part of the exercise and Seema is solving 4 by 5 part of the exercise. Now we are supposed to find who has solved the lesser part. Now you are having different denominators 7 and 5. You have to convert this unlike fractions to like fraction so that you can add or subtract the fractions easily. Now what is the denominator? 7 and 5. Take LCM for 7 and 5. 7 and 5 is not in the same table, so let us multiply it and you are getting the LCM as 35. Now this should be changed to another fraction. Take that fraction. What is our LCM? Equal to divided by LCM 35. Now 7 into dash is equal to 35, 5. So for equivalent fraction what you have to do? You have to multiply the same number on the numerator. So into 5 is given to the numerator also. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 35. See the next one, 4 by 5. Next fraction, the same thing which is equal to 35. 4 into dash is equal to 35. 7 is 35. Multiply the same 7 to the numerator. 4 into 7 is equal to 28 by 35. Now, Ramesh has solved 10 by 35 part of the exercise and Seema has solved 28 by 35 part of the exercise. Now, it is easy to compare, right? Both the denominators are same. So, comparing is also easy. Now, 28 by 35 is greater than 10 by 35. But what is the question asked? Who solved the lesser part? Therefore, who solved the lesser part? Ramesh solved the lesser part of the exercise. Can you understand? So in this session we have discussed about fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. We have discussed about proper fraction. Numerator is lesser than denominator. Improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. Equivalent fraction, you have to multiply the same number or divide the same number to the numerator and denominator. Mixed fraction, it will contain a whole number and fraction. How you have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction? Denominator into whole number. The whole product will be added to numerator and it is divided by denominator. This is the mixed fraction to improper fraction conversion. So what is like fraction? If your denominators are same, it is like fraction. If your denominators are different, it is unlike fraction. We have solved example 1. They have given a fraction. You are going to find out the equivalent fraction. That is your homework actually. Now what is the second example? They have given two persons. One person is solving 2 by 7 part of the exercise. Another person is solving 4 by 5 part of the exercise. They are telling you to find who has solved lesser part. And you have found out that Ramesh solved the lesser part. Can you understand? The rest of the examples we can see in the next session.